So when you're thinking about purchasing a home, you're probably going to see online or hear from people the difference between a pre-approval and a pre-qualification. So I just wanted to share with you what those differences are and then what might be best for you to get if you're thinking about buying a home. So when we say pre-qualification, that generally means that you've provided very limited information to a mortgage lender where they maybe didn't even get documentation. Maybe they didn't even review a credit report, but based on maybe a phone conversation or an in-person meeting, whatever information you verbally provided to them, they're then telling you what you could qualify for. So that's a pre-qualification. To me, that's a really first general step, just having a conversation with someone. What you really want to do is get pre-approved. And what that means is that you've provided the documentation necessary to the mortgage lender to ensure that they've looked at your credit, your income, your debt to income ratio, and your assets, and they've even run what's called automated underwriting. And there's the ability to run automated underwriting if they have all of that information from you. So what is best? A pre-approval is honestly better to get than a pre-qualification. You'll get a specific letter from the mortgage lender that says they've reviewed your income, your assets, and your credit, and that based on that information, you are pre-approved for a certain purchase price with a certain down payment. And so the seller of the home and the agent representing the seller is going to want to know that you got pre-approved by a mortgage lender. And so when we work together, that's what we're going to do. I'm going to require the information from you up front to make sure that I'm looking at all pieces of information that could cause any speed bumps throughout the mortgage loan process and answer any questions that I think the underwriter might ask, because we don't want to get to those things later in the process when you already found the home. We want to pre-approve you upfront and make sure we're addressing any potential issues as soon as possible. So if you have any questions about the difference of pre-approval and pre-qualification, I'm here to answer those for you, and I'll talk to you soon.